Hey, what's up, guys? Atrika Vodare from Extra Coding YouTube channel is back again. So, friends, in today's video, we're gonna learn about string concatenation. Okay, so here we will make a new file, tut6.py. Okay, so here, suppose if we write a, we have made a variable a, and in this we have written extra, and in variable b we have written coding. So, if we want to concatenate it, what will we do? We will print a plus b. So as you can see, a in variable a we have extra, which is a string, and in variable b we have coding, which is also a string. So if we put plus sign between two strings, it will concatenate. Let me show you. See, it is giving extra coding. Now there isn't any space, right? So what will we do? We will give a space here. So space will also be considered in a string. So now if we run it, there will be a space also. Okay. Now you can do it like this also. Print, and here simply give extra and then add coding. Right? This will also work properly. Okay. Now if you don't want to give space here, so what will you do? You can do it like this also. Let me remove the space of variable a, extra coding. So here, now if we print a plus b, so it will concatenate, but there won't be any space. Now you can do it like this. Okay, so what have we done here? Here we have concatenate a with a space and then with b. So a is a variable in which extra is stored, and then we have concatenate a space, and after that space we have concatenated b, which has coding. So what will it do? It will put extra, space, and then coding. Okay, so if we run it, you can see it is also working properly, but it is a little bit lengthy, so that's why I prefer to put space right here only. But sometimes we have to do like this also. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope you guys got to know how to concatenate two strings. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try my best to answer you. See you soon in my next video, guys. Thank you for being with me till the end of the session.